So here we are taking the type 4 problems where the pi will be of the form e raised to ax into v by f of d. Here the e is any constant term. So it means any constant, it may be positive or negative term. Any constant term. So e raised to ax into v by f of d. Here your v is a function of x. Here the v is function of x. Function of x means there will be the two types. Means either a v is sin bx or cos bx. Here I am taking b just because here already a is used. That's why I am taking the b here. Either a sin bx or cos bx or polynomial function. Only the two choices will be for the v. Either a v is sin or cos term or else it is polynomial. So that will be come under the type 4. For example, like e raised to 2x into sin x divided by some function of t, or e raised to minus x into x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by function of d, or e raised to x into x square by f of d. Like that functions will be present. So either a v is sin or cos or else polynomial that will be multiplied with the e raised to ax. So in this kind of the examples we have to write the particular integral as e raised to ax into v divided by f of d. So our first procedure is, so first we have to shift d to d plus a, whatever the coefficient of x here. Coefficient of x is a. Shift d to d plus a. That is our first procedure. So after shifting the d to d plus a, particular integral is e raised to ax into v divided by f of d plus v. You have to write down in this manner. After shifting a d to d plus a, we just have to concentrate on v divided by f of d plus a. So here suppose v is sin or cos. Use the type 2 to solve this v by f of d plus a. Suppose v is polynomial. Suppose v is polynomial. Solve this v by f of d plus a by the type 3 procedure and keep this e raised to ax as it is. Don't make any disturbance to this e raised to ax. You have to carry this term to the entire step as it is only. You just have to simplify v by f of d plus a either by the type 2 or by the type 3. That is based on the value of this v. So that will be the procedure of the solving the type 4, where the function of x is in the form of e raised to x into v, where v is either a sine function or cos function or else polynomial. So our first step will be shifting a d to d plus a. After shifting a d to d plus a, we just have to concentrate on v by f of d plus a. Based on the value of the v, we decide a type 2 or type 3. If the v is a sine or cos function, we have follow the type 2. Suppose the v is a polynomial, we follow the type 3. So to solve this type 4, we have a knowledge of the type 2, type 3. Then only we can solve the type 4 problem. So we just have to be remember. So if you know the type 2, type 3, then only you can solve the type 4. Here I am taking an example to explain the type 4, how to get the pi. E raised to 2x sin 3x divided by d square minus 1. First we have to concentrate what is the a. Here the a equal to 2. Shift d to d plus 2. Suppose it is negative, you have to choose negative only. Like a e raised to minus 2x, then shift d to d minus 2, like that. So then pi equal to e raised to 2x sine 3x whole divided by d plus 2 whole square minus 1. Now solve the denominator. Sine 3x divided by d square plus 4d plus 3. Just open the square bracket and simplify with the minus 1. You will get a d square plus 4d plus 3. Now we have to simplify this sine 3x divided by d square plus 4d plus 3. Here the value of v is sine 3x. Sine 3x means it is a type 2. So solve this sine 3x divided by d square plus 4d plus 3 by the procedure of type 2. So according to the type 2 procedure, replace d square by the value of this minus 3 whole square is 9. So replace d square by minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4d plus 3. So it becomes e raised to 2x sine 3x divided by 4d minus 6. So simplify this 4d minus 6. Multiply the conjugate term of the 4d minus 6, that is 4d plus 6 divided by 4d plus 6. Now simplify this term. To simplify this term, multiply with the 4 into derivative of sine 3x. 4 into derivative of sine 3x is 3 into cos 3x. 4 into 3, 12 cos 3x plus 6 into sine 3x whole divided by 4d minus 6 into 4d plus 6, that is 16d square minus 36. Again d square is replaced by minus 9. 6 sine 3x, 16 into minus 9 minus 36. So you solve the denominator and take out the 6 common in the numerator. Simplify it. You will get a e raised to minus 2x divided by 30 into 2 cos 3x plus sine 3x. That is your particular integral. By that you have to solve the type 4 examples. So you just have to remember the thing, that is e raised to ax into v form, where v is either a polynomial or else a sine or cos function. So in that kind of the example, you have to start the procedure by shifting a d to d plus a, where the a is in the power of e, the coefficient of x, that is your a, e raised to ax, it will be your a. Shift a d to d plus a. After shifting a d to d plus a, you have to simply solve v by f of d plus a, either by the type 2 or by the type 3. That will be decided based on the value of v. If it is a sine or cos, follow the type 2. If it is polynomial, follow the type 3. Based on that, we solved one example to get a